All right, everyone. I just received the overhead sunglass holder. This is designed for a 2022 Toyota Sienna, but I don't think there was any changes between the 21 and 22 Sienna overheads, so I'm hoping this will fit. So yeah, let's try this out. Do a quick box opening here. I already kind of cut the tape, but yeah, we just pop it open. This is how it's received in the mail. It comes in like a bubble wrapper, and I just took that off, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So looks like we got a little pry tool to help, I guess, take off the little trim piece in the ceiling, and then looks like this is the bulk of it. Here is the sunglass holder. Let's open it up. Looks like there's some bubble wrap here. Nice fabric cloth pouch. Let's see, what does this look like? I haven't seen this yet, so let's see what this looks like. All right, there we go. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Not bad quality. It doesn't match this fabric that we have in the Sienna, but I guess it's the same color, or at least close to the same color. But yeah, so this just literally just pretty much pops in. I think it sits like this in the ceiling. Let's see how it looks when it opens. Yeah, that's a good space for sunglasses. That's awesome. That's one of the things I didn't like about the Sienna. I know it's something pretty minor, but I wear sunglasses when I drive, and there's no place to put them when you're not in the car. And I don't want to leave it on the dash because it gets hot here in Florida, and having something like this is pretty handy. So let's compare the fabrics. This is kind of like a felty. Zoom in here. It's kind of a felty fabric. It feels nice, but it doesn't match the same texture. If you look at the texture here on the ceiling, there's like a, regular like webbing texture. I don't know how else to say it for the fabric. So it's not exactly the same. Let's do a side by side. So it's not exactly the same, but look, the same color. All right. I don't know what the beige looks like. There's two models of the sunglass holder. There's a beige and a gray. So there you go. All right. So all we really have to do, there's no instructions, but all we really have to do is pop off this little trim here. This does come with a little trim tool. I mean, I guess you can use it, but you just simply pull it back. Let me try. Yeah, it's really easy to pop off. I don't even think you need the trim tool to do it. Yeah, you just really pull it off, as you can see here, just gently. All right, you don't have to pull off the whole thing, just enough, as you can see there. So I just pull it off. And then it has some little clips. Let's see here. So I guess we just pop the clips in over the little lip. And then we put the little clips underneath into the little visor here. There we go. So it slides right in there, really easy. And then we kind of clip them in. 1 and 2. Let's make sure it's centered. Yeah, it looks like it's a good fit. It's a slightly off. Oh, there we go. We got that one. Let's see if I try that again. It was slightly off center. So let's see, there we go. So yeah, you can see if it's centered here by this little angle piece here, and there's another little angle piece here. It was slightly off just a moment ago. I just slid it over and popped it in, and then put this back. That is a really easy install. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Now we have a sunglass holder. Oh, cool. Nothing really fancy. It's just a regular hinge. Let's see if my sunglasses fit. These are my prescription Oakleys. They're really bulky, so I doubt anyone will really have anything larger than that. But let's see what they look like inside. All right, they fit. So nice, clean. Let's see if I can do a zoomed out view. So that's what they look like. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then if we want to open it. All right, nice. Let me close the overhead here. All right, really nice, really easy. All right, so that's that. Just initial impressions. I would recommend this. It looks pretty secure, really easy install, and it was about $30 on AliExpress, and it took maybe about a week and a half to get here. So yeah, I recommend it if you need some space for your sunglasses. Thanks, everyone.